Managing business expenses can often get messy. You have to run between paper receipts, endless email chains, and confusing spreadsheets. But to not get slipped through the cracks, you'd better have good assistance by yourself. And that's why we've rounded up 5 of the best expense management tools for smooth budgeting and smarter cost tracking. So, starting off with the Breathe HR. This platform gives you a 14-day free trial with no credit card required, so you can get access to all features. And the features? Well, at first, we want to talk about the standout thing is how this platform lets employees submit expense claims in just a few clicks. Whether someone's on a business trip or grabbing supplies, they can snap a photo of their receipt, upload it, either individually or in bulk, which means no more chasing employees for crumpled receipts or dealing with lost paperwork. Once those claims are submitted, approving them is just as easy. The Approve and Track Claims feature lets managers review and greenlight expenses quickly, with a clear view of the expenses history and any outstanding payments. This keeps everything transparent, so you know exactly where every claim stands. Another cool thing is, this software integrates smoothly with leading accounting platforms like Pleo, which helps you to cut down on manual data entry, and it also saves you from the headache of double-checking numbers. Plus, the automated reports feature gives finance teams a real-time view of spending trends. You can see where the money's going, spot patterns, and make smarter budgeting decisions without spending hours crunching numbers. Well, the advances reporting capabilities are also worth shouting about. You can filter expenses by claim status, project, department, division, or location, which makes it easy to drill down into the details. Meanwhile, the expenses section is a huge time saver. It saves hours every week by automatically tallying up expenses and organizing individual entries for monthly submissions. So, Breathe HR is just all about making expense management less of a hassle. If you're running a small or medium-sized business, still tired of juggling receipts, spreadsheets, and finance tools, Moss might just be your new best friend. Employees can snap a quick photo of their receipts using the app. Or even better, this software can automatically grab receipts straight from Gmail or Outlook. For HR and finance teams, Moss gives you real-time visibility into spending. You can see every transaction as it happens, with everything already categorized and pre-coded. So instead of waiting for the end of the month to sort things out, you've got a live view of where money's going. One of the features that we must mention is how well it plays with accounting tools. It connects directly with systems like Datev and Xero, which syncs your chart of accounts and pushes all the expense data without the need for manual input. You can also digitize receipts, tag cost centers, and add VAT details right inside the app. That's great for HR teams who need to track expenses by department or project. And when the month wraps up, exporting everything to your accounting software is quick and clean. In short, Moss keeps your spending organized, your processes smooth, and your team happy. Next up is Zoho Expense, a tool that really caught our eye for its clean design and smooth integration, especially if you're already using other Zoho products. It fits right into the Zoho ecosystem, so this one will feel like a natural extension. One of the things we liked most was the multi-currency support. It's a huge plus for businesses with international operations. During our testing, we were able to track expenses in different currencies, and Zoho took care of the conversions automatically. No need to manually calculate exchange rates, which saves time and avoids errors. Another highlight was the customizable workflows. We easily set up approval rules and automatic notifications tailored to our internal policies. So, when an employee submitted an expense, it instantly went to the right manager. No manual routing, no delays. We were also impressed with how well Zoho Expense integrates with other tools. It synced up quickly with popular accounting platforms like QuickBooks and Xero. This made it easy to pull in data from different sources and reduce the hassle of switching between platforms. That said, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The mobile app had occasional lag during our tests, which might bother users who need to log expenses on the move. Also, while the standard plan is reasonably priced at $3 per user per month, many of the more advanced features are only available on higher-tier plans, so smaller teams might feel a bit limited unless they upgrade. All in all, Zoho Expense is a solid pick for mid-sized businesses and global teams, especially those already working within the Zoho environment. This is Airbase. This spend management tool is clearly built with mid-market to enterprise-level companies in mind. One of the standout features is touchless expense reporting. Employees can simply snap a photo of a receipt using the Airbase mobile app, and the platform's AI-driven OCR does the rest. It autofills all the important stuff like date, amount, and vendor. That means no more manual entry or digging through pockets for lost receipts. Once an expense is submitted, automated approval workflows kick in. Airbase routes the request to the right approver based on your internal policies. It also checks expenses against preset rules to ensure policy compliance, so finance and HR don't need to micromanage every little thing. It's a great way to stay on top of spending without creating tension. And because it logs every detail with an automatic audit trail, audits become way less stressful. Another highlight is real-time visibility into spending. HR and managers can instantly see how much is being spent by team, vendor, or individual employee. No more waiting for end-of-month reports to find out where the budget went. If you want to dig deeper, Airbase's spend analytics can help uncover trends and areas where you can cut costs or adjust policies. And when it comes to employee reimbursements, Airbase gets funds into bank accounts fast after approvals, which keeps your team happy and motivated. Airbase also does a great job with accounting integrations. It works smoothly with platforms like NetSuite, QuickBooks. There's also a handy travel booking integration that keeps business trips in policy and makes expensing those trips simple. As for pricing, Airbase offers 3 flexible tiers: Standard, Premium, and Enterprise, with specified pricing based on your company's size and requirements. You'll need to book a demo to get a detailed quote, but the tiered approach makes it scalable for growing businesses. Let's wrap up with Expensify, a tool that could be perfect for you, especially if you're always on the move. If dealing with scattered receipts and messy expense reports feels like a constant headache, Expensify might be just what you need to simplify things. One feature you'll probably find yourself using all the time is the receipt scanner. Just take out your phone, snap a photo of your receipt, and Expensify automatically pulls out all the key details and organizes everything for you. It's quick, easy, and honestly a huge time saver. You'll also like the expense approval system. As a manager, you can approve or reject expenses straight from your phone with just a few taps. No more chasing people down or sending follow-up emails. Need to track mileage or upload receipts on the go? Everything's right there in your pocket. And if you work with international clients, features like automatic currency conversion and real-time expense tracking make things even smoother. Now, just a heads up, there's a bit of a learning curve when you first start using Expensify. The interface might feel a little crowded at first, but once you get used to it, the workflow clicks into place and things start to flow naturally. As for pricing, the Essentials plan starts at $5 per user per month. That's a pretty solid deal for small teams. But if you're looking for advanced features, it can get a bit pricey, so it's something to think about as your team grows. Overall, if you're always on the move and want a mobile-first, paperless way to manage your expenses, Expensify makes it easy for you to stay organized without the stress. Once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever did it the old way. So these are the 5 best expense management tools for efficient budgeting and cost tracking. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.